Customer says that their freezer is frosting up. Most likely it's a timer issue for your defroster. I had a little bit of problems trying to find out where this timer was, but it was behind the dust cover. Now, in order to fix it, there's 2 screws. You have to loosen them up, and there's a little slot where you take them out. Then you put the whole thing back together with the 2 screws, and you slide it in, and then you tighten them up. This timer cost about $23. That's pretty much an easy fix once you find out where the timer is.